Let's take a closer look at how we can attach files to email messages in Outlook on the web in order to share and collaborate with colleagues more efficiently. So here I am in Outlook on the web, and I've created a new mail message, and I'm simply going to click the drop down for attach. Notice that I could browse this computer. However, this would attach a document that's been saved locally to my device. Again, if I selected browse this computer and selected a document, notice that it would actually upload a copy of that document, and this can affect the size of the email itself in terms of storage. So in this case, because it's a small document, it's only 23 kilobytes, there should be no problem sending this email. But larger attachments may actually make it difficult for you to send via email. The other thing you want to consider is that when you attach a copy of a file in this manner, each recipient of the email is going to receive his or her own copy of the document, making it more difficult to collaborate. So let's just get rid of this attachment. I'm going to show you an alternate way of attaching files or documents more efficiently in Outlook on the web. So again, we go to attach. But this time, notice that we can either pull from our suggested files, and again, looking for that cloud symbol because that's going to tell us that it's a document saved in our OneDrive, or we can browse cloud locations. If I select browse cloud locations, notice that I can browse through my OneDrive, I can browse through recent files, or even files that have been shared with me. I can also browse groups. This includes giving me access to my Microsoft Teams document libraries. So let me just look for that staff room team demo. And if I select it, notice that I can see all of the different channels as folders. So I'm going to find the general channel, and I'm going to select a document that I'm going to attach to this email. I'm going to click next, and notice that this document is actually attached as a link that will be shared with recipients of this email. Notice that by default, the document is set with permissions stating that recipients can view. But what if I want recipients of this document to collaborate on the document? I can actually change the permission levels by hovering over the attachment, clicking on the drop down for more actions, and selecting Manage Access. Notice that I can then change the permission levels for this file. So I might decide that I want everyone to be able to edit, so I'm going to say recipients can edit, and those permissions are now updated in the file. Let me go ahead and actually send this particular attachment to myself. Notice when I click on it to open, I'm given the option of downloading, but since I want to collaborate on this file with the original sender, I could actually open it in Microsoft Word as is, make my changes or edits, and then the owner of the document, the individual who sent the document to me, will actually see those changes without me having to send a copy of the document back to him or her.